Okay, I just picked this up, kind of like a 550. So we've got an M100, whatever, only a 140 cc, smaller Briggs and Stratton here. Just the basic mower, nothing, you know, no front wheel drive or anything. I traded a buddy for his birthday one that ran. He had this one and kept saying he wanted one without the primer because this was the problem. Someone that was helping him fix or get it running was saying something about the primer, and then stuff was getting on the spark plug or something else. It's like really good condition. Pretty new, maybe a year older, so I can't remember exactly what he said. It's not really faded. Again, a lot of these parts look like the 550, but I'm just gonna kind of clean it up. Maybe take the spark plug off. This is so super clean. Got a little nest in here. Put some fresh gas in it. Is there? Oh, there's something in there. Oh, we'll see what happens. But I just can't see how this is going to be a problem. Oh, we've got a nest in here. Oh, you probably can't see it. There. Oh, almost see it. There's a little dead wasp nest in there. There's not a lot of dirt. It had some vines growing up it. Here's a little piece left. And it was just sitting on the side of his house, and he had touched it, and it's really good shape. Just a little overgrown and something about the gas. So I'm gonna give it a couple pulls and we'll see what happens. Alright, so I've done nothing to this. We're gonna start off by just pulling it, seeing how it acts, and then we'll try starter fluid, and I'm gonna take out the spark plug and scrub that and check it out and see from there. So unless the fuel's just really watery and bad, it looks in like really good shape. Up here. What it looks like. Where are we at? Whoa. So it's really not that bad at all. So thinking it just has something clogged and it's not getting fuel. So we'll just start taking it apart, clean out stuff, and go from there. Okay, here we are. Cleaned off the carburetor. It's one of the plastic ones, I believe on the Hyper Tough video. Took like 5 minutes. Cleaned it off, zipped it all back on here, just have the air filter in the box off. Pump it a couple times. Put the gas back in there. I bet it starts. Voila. My buddy had it sitting behind his house with vines growing over it and just kind of growing up around it, and he was like, this thing's irritating me, it doesn't work half the time, whatever. It's a lawnmower. If you don't take the gas out and it sits in there, it gets funky, especially the gas we have now, right? So put a shut-off valve in the gas line. We're not going to use it. It gets around fall, you know, winter time, or drain the gas out. put stable in it or heat or any kind of stabilizer, just take the gas out again. This is in great shape. It's got, I mean, here's this tag still on here. It looks great. We're gonna clean it up, hit it with the plastic shine stuff. It's gonna look like $1,000,000 and someone will be really happy to get it. Awesome. Hiya. Shadow. Alright, there you have it. Clean it up a little bit and then it'll run. What a simple little job, make somebody happy. Give them a little blessing, right?